I am so delirious, I will say anything that Haley says right now. But I'm talking, so what I want you to do is grab your big, beautiful boa. You're a showgirl, baby. You're gonna step and work. Keep it going. Oh, what a big boa that is.
You light the match to watch it blow.
Showgirl arms now. Take it high and drop. So sad. Take it here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Fast. Give me drama, drama around. Again. Fast. Give me drama. Spell it out. 2 more times. Last one. Die. Showgirl step.
Daughter of a nobleman, Ophelia lived in fantasy.
Oh my God, Allison, your bow is so sparkly.
There's a cold bed full of scorpions. The venom stole her sanity.
Give me those arms now. Let's go. Take it up.
I might have lingered in purgatory.
Take it high.
You wrap around
You are performing a private show, and no one's allowed to see it. This is a secret dress rehearsal. Let's go. Big. Give me drama. In a circle. One more time. Fast. Give me drama. Here we go. Land, sea, sky. They had to go. It was a private rehearsal. Pop it out. You are locked away in your tower, waiting to be rescued. This way. You're waiting for Travis Kelsey to come save you with this big redwood tree. Hi, Travis. Let's go.